everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama out here on a Saturday, and we're showing houses today. I'm a housing consultant here at Champion Homes, and please come visit me on a Saturday. It's the quietest and the calmest day for you to visit. I'm out here in the lot, and I have a lot of customers who ask me about exteriors, so I found the perfect home to display some different exteriors. This home is special, and I'm gonna try to make this make sense. So we're talking about a double. It's a 28 by 64 manufactured home. You can tell because it's built on the steel frame. What's special about this home is we've got two porches, one full porch and one half porch going into the front of the home. Now, the short side would be the front of the home. So if you have a long, narrow lot, this is a beauty for you. Got a 512 roof. You can see it up there. People also ask me, do I have to raise the roof when it's a 512? And yes, you do. We're going to ship it hinged just like that. First thing to notice, this is the half porch side. So this is the front of the home, and we've got some two-tone colors going on here. Around the window, we've done a lineal trim. That's an upgraded feature. Instead of shutters or instead of nothing, you want to give your front some pizzazz. That's the way to do it. And then also we've got the Brunswick siding. Let me get a little closer here. This is our upgraded color for this year. It's a navy blue in the sun. If you look down here when it gets dark in the shade, it looks a little darker, almost like a dark black charcoal. So it just depends on how the light hits it. And then you'll notice up there at the top, we've done a vertical batten. Not the entire front of the home. We just did an accent of vertical batten there. So what a great feature. This is the left front side of the home, right over here next door, not the one in the middle, but over to the right here. This is going to be the other side of that. And we continued on with the vertical batten up there, but we did something else that's really cool. And inside of the home, this is the secondary bedroom. We're going to see that in a minute, but we did a little bump out. And I always think this looks so fabulous when you do this bump out, because it's two separate windows, and we'll see when we go inside that there's a piece that separates it. Gives it a nice big windowsill. So if you have little kitties, they're going to love that. And just a really cool feature and a great way to dress up the outside of your home. Now it's going to get even more interesting when we go down the side. So this would be the left side of the home. And here we go. We did it again. So we added a dormer that bumps out. And on the siding, we lined it with vertical batten. Continued with the lineal trims around the outside. What a classy way to dress up your house. You guys are going down the road, especially here in Amish country, you're seeing a lot of this two-toned color on the outside and the inside. I just did a video about that. Just people thinking outside of the box and switching up the colors. And so from afar, this is the left side of the home, and that's going to look really cool no matter which way you're coming or no matter which way your driveway sits. So here we are at the back of the home, and we've got a full 8-foot porch on the back. How cool is that? There's that side, and then remember, we got a house in the middle, but over here is the other side of the 8-foot porch. Now, coming into the back door, let's see what we find. Right, we've got a 9-light door in the back, and then I noticed when I looked up, I've got a wire brace switch. That means that they're going to put a couple of ceiling fans out there, and then they'll finish off the top as well. Also, they'll finish off the siding. We usually only trim up to the mate line. So if there's any kind of, door and then mate line over here, we're going to leave that off. We don't want any damage during shipping. And so that will be completed on site. 9-light, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 pieces of glass in there. And if you're trading out doors, that's a great option because it's only 171 bucks and gives you so much more light. So coming in the back door, we're coming into a utility room. And I love how this is set up because when you swing to the left right here, this literally is the utility part of the house. We've got furnace here, water heater behind the panel, and then the electrical panel box here. And then when you flip it around, you've got the laundry area. What a great design. You know, Champion Homes, we are at the forefront of the designing and the innovation. We have a factory that is completely dedicated to research and development. So we're always at the leading edge of the design, and I just love that. Over here, we're seeing washer dryer cabinets up there, and then always a main water shutoff on the inside of the house. And then this is going to be an electric dryer. Now you can opt for gas. You can do a gas dryer, gas water heater, gas furnace. That's not a problem. And then this is neat. So remember, we came in the back door through the utility room. That's very typical, especially in a stick-built home. And we're coming in. There's a lot of stuff in here. This house is going to go and be set up and be revealed to the public. So you guys are getting an exclusive here. Coming into the dining area, nice open area. You'll notice that on the mate line, we've got 2 openings. Those are going to be bedrooms. We're going to see those in a minute. This is looking like a Summit kitchen or an Ultimate kitchen with some solid surface countertops. So here's our French door refrigerator. This is a 25 cubic foot refrigerator and in stainless steel. So we've got a stainless steel fridge, dishwasher. By the way, that's a sticker. I'm on tours, people are like, oh, that's so cool. We're bringing back the colors of the appliances like they did in the 70s when they were green and all the kinds of crazy colors. But no, that's just a sticker. And then over here, we've got a smooth top range. So we're continuing on with the electric household. And then that also has a sticker on it at the top. That's the European style hood. Once that sticker comes off, it's going to be stainless steel as well. We've got the microwave in the tower. That means we've got lots of cabinets there. We got a 2-inch style cove trim at the top. Mwah, that looks great. 42-inch cabinets all the way to the ceiling. Also looks great. And I've never seen this color combination. I'm excited to be using this very soon. We've got Hamilton solid surface on the top. So not Formica. This is the other material, the other white meat. And then we've got Grease, G-R-I-S. So very Italian, right? Grease on the backsplash. And we did a half wall here, or excuse me, a full wall under the cabinets here. And then we've got a valance board up there at the kitchen. So I know that there's a drywall package in this home because of all of those things I just talked about. Drawers over doors, mobile home mama's fave, and also the 42-inch cabinets. Those are a must for me if I'm building a house. And then coming over here, I love this. So we've got this island that's extended and hooked onto the rest of the cabinetry. I think that's a great design feature. And then look on the other side, seating as well. So this is reminiscent of a shotgun house where you can go in one door, whoop, right out the other. So if you're making a run for it, no, I'm just kidding. I don't know if that would be the case, or if that's why, if anybody knows why they call them shotgun houses, I would love to know the story behind that. Anyways, here's the living area. We've got a ceiling fan up there. Again, part of the package is this colonial cove over the windows. And then here's the other door over there. That's called a craftsman door. Let me get a little closer. This is a upgradable option as well. And it's got 6 panes of glass in the top. Very modern, very classy. One other thing I wanted to talk about while I was in here is this USB outlet. There's that. So we can put these anywhere where you can charge your phone wherever you want. We're always looking for new ways to make your life easier when you're building our homes. So this is the kitchen living area, kitchen living utility area. Let's go check out the bedrooms. One more peek, and here we go. Okay, here we go into the primary bedroom, and I came in this side first because I am just super impressed with the way that they did the bathroom. So this is a decent sized living room. By the way, this is a 28 by 64. We started with a 56 floor plan and did some stretching in some key areas. Who knows what that is over there up against the wall? I'm sure you guys from watching my videos already know that's perimeter heat. So inline sectional heating is the standard in manufactured homes. If you want us to run extensions out to the inside perimeter of the walls, we can do that for you. Connected to the primary bedroom is, of course, the ensuite, the primary bath. By the way, while I'm standing here, let's look at this interior door because this is also part of that drywall package. 3-panel modern doors, also 3 hinges on these doors. And why would that be important? Well, we need to ship these and they need to be as light as possible. So when you have us prepare with 3 hinges, when the home gets to your property and you decide down the road you want to put in solid wood doors, you want to have 3 hinges so that they match up and they're easy to hang. Okay, sorry, I know I get off on these side rants, but I just want you guys to be educated. Coming into the bathroom, I love this setup right here. Check out this vanity. How beautiful is that? And we have the solid surface countertops in the kitchen. We only offer that in the kitchen, so you always have to choose a Formica pattern going into the bathrooms. Drama marble is a perfect choice with this backsplash. Black handles. Hi everybody, I hope you're enjoying your Saturday. By the way, I'm getting visits and phone calls and emails, and I just love talking to you guys. If you have any questions or you want to come visit, please give me a call. This is a 30 by 60 ceramic tile in a Calcutta pattern. Also, this is a perfect match to the drama marble. Keeping it going on with the marbly look, perfect match. And fiberglass bottom. Here's something cool to talk about, these doors at the top. If you guys remember the doors from 10 years ago, we still do them. We still do them on our 2-seater shower, but these are called barn style hardware, so they have a nice smooth transition when you're opening and closing. This is taped up, so I won't show you, but if you come visit me, I'll show you. Here we go. Look at this, ladies. I know it's dark in here. I don't have any electricity, but this closet, holy moly. I'd double rack it. You guys already know I would. I'd double rack at least one side. I would double rack 2 sides, this side and that side, and leave that for the long close. Depends. It's funny because I have couples come in here and you never know who has more clothes, the girl or the guy. So they always tell on each other. Anyways, here's the toilet part. Toilet with an 019 cabinet up above it for storage. Great idea there. So there we have it. Primary bedroom, one more peek, primary bath. Let's go over and check out the secondary bedroom. All right, here we go. Bedroom number 2. A nice big bedroom. And you remember when we were on the outside beginning of this video, I talked about that dormer that we put on the outside. When you pop it out, what happens? You get a nice window seat for your booty. So, or for your cats. Whoever wants to take a break can sit right there. I feel like I could take a break. You can tell from my breathing. Bedroom number 2. Bathroom number 2, and this is impressive, guys. Let's talk about this. We've got some crescent edging here, and we had it all through the house in the other bath, but I forgot to point it out. Crescent edging here, trimmed out mirrors here. How classy is that? Also, another thing I'm gonna encourage you guys to change out is those 2-arm vanity lights right there. Boom, boom. Because the standard would be a 3-bulb light strip. In the drywall package, those lights come with it. If you opt to individualize that drywall package, make sure you change that light out. For 85 bucks, it really ups the game in the design category. Coming over here, we've got the toilet, again with the 019, and then the standard tub shower combination. But let me tell you, look at all this room right here. So easily, you could do a garden tub with some jets. Hey, got plenty of room there to change out that bathtub if you wanted to. Right next door, we've got a linen closet here, and then coming into bedroom number 3. They've upgraded the carpet, nice thick, looks like 25-ounce carpet. We do also a 38-ounce, but 25 looks really good in this one. There you have it, folks. An exclusive, one of our best. You know, this is a luxury home, and we can do that. You guys are out here building barn-dominiums and stick building at $450,000 a house. Come see me. Let me cut that in half. It's great to talk to you guys, and it's great to show you these houses. My name is Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Thanks.